Create a calendar event in Gmail using N8N tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a calendar event in Gmail using N8N, a workflow automation tool. First, you need to have an N8N account and access to the workflow editor. If you don't have an account, sign up for one and log in to the N8N dashboard. To start, click on the Add Node button in the top right corner of the workflow editor. This will open a modal window with a list of available nodes. Search for the Gmail node and select it. Next, you need to authenticate your Gmail account with N8N. Click on the Authenticate button and follow the prompts to grant N8N access to your Gmail account. Once you have authenticated your account, you can configure the Gmail node to create a new calendar event. Select the Create Event option from the Operation drop-down menu. Then, you need to specify the calendar ID, event title, start and end dates, and any other relevant details. You can use N8N expressions to dynamically populate these fields with data from other nodes in your workflow. After configuring the Gmail node, you can add additional nodes to your workflow to perform other tasks, such as sending a notification email or updating a database. To test your workflow, click on the Execute Node button. N8N will run your workflow and create a new calendar event in your Gmail account. Best practices for creating calendar events in Gmail using N8N include using clear and descriptive event titles, setting reminders and notifications, and ensuring that your workflow is well tested and validated before deploying it to production. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate the process of creating calendar events in Gmail using N8N, saving you time and increasing productivity.